Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you're encountering error 0xc00007b while opening an app, then watch this video to fix the issue. The first thing you need to do is to enable the .NET framework feature. So for that, we will look for features in the search bar and we will come to this turn Windows features on or off. Click on it and then we will expand this .NET framework 3.5 and we will make sure that both these boxes are ticked. We will also expand .NET framework 4.8 and make sure the boxes are ticked and click on OK. This will search for the required files and you can click on let Windows Update download the files for you and it should download and install. The next thing we can do is run the program as administrator. So if you're running a program and it gives this error, then run it as administrator. So I'll just take an example, say program called greenshot, and I'm getting this error when I run greenshot. So what I will do is I will go to search for the program and then click on run as administrator, click on yes, and this error should no longer show up. Lastly, if both these solutions don't work, then we need to install DirectX. So how we can do that is open the browser and look for DirectX download. And then since I'm using Edge, I always use Edge to download software because Microsoft Bing gives you the clean version, as in it recommends the best version for you, one that is without any virus or malware. So I will click on download, but if you're not using Bing, then you can always go to this link microsoft.com in DirectX and then you can click on download and then open file and install and then restart the computer and you should no longer encounter this error. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.